You smiling at Daddy?
You want this? It's a reasonably clean washcloth. It was on the floor there for a minute, but no, don't throw it. There you go. Wipe your face with it. He's doing like what he does in the bathtub. He's trying to get it wet.
There's no water around your legs tonight, son.
Isn't that funny? Watch, I'll do it again. He's trying to dip it in the water. There's no water down there, babe. There's no water. He said it's not wet enough for me. It's wet. Maybe you want warm water, huh? Well, cold water is supposed to feel better on your teethies. Here. Let's clean your tooth. Can we clean your tooth? There we go. Clean that teethy. Clean that teethy. She's trying to get it wet. You got it in your head. There's water down there. When I have a washcloth, I have to have water between my legs. There you go. No, it's not wet enough. Is that funny? He said, "What's wrong with this system? I don't understand. It's not getting wet enough." You want me to go take it and get... No, you'll have a fit if I take it. I don't understand why it's not getting wet. You are so funny, Alex. Oh, goodness. Daddy. Yeah, did you say Daddy? What are you looking for? You looking for water?